Hi students, in this video lecture we are going to know about three-phase balanced load in AC circuit. To understand the concept of three-phase balanced load, we are going to solve a problem. The problem is 300 ohm resistors are connected first in star and then in delta across 415 volt three-phase supply. Calculate the line and the phase currents in each case and also the power taken from the source. It is a given problem. Let us write the given data. The resistors are connected in R phase and Y phase and B phase, all are equal, that is 100 ohm. The given voltage is line voltage, it is equal to 415 volt, and then required data is line current, phase current and the power. For both cases, that is star connection and delta connection. In the solution, first we are going to take star connection. For that, the star connected load is drawn. First one R phase, next one Y phase, last one B phase. Look at the diagram. In all the phases, we used 100 ohm resistors. So it is called balanced load. The title, I said three-phase balanced load. The reason is in all the phases we are using 100 ohm resistors. So it is called three-phase balanced load. The condition for star connection is phase current is equal to line current. That is very important condition. To find the value of phase current, students should find the value of phase voltage. The formula is the ratio between line voltage and root 3. That is 415 divided by root 3 is equal to 239.6 volt. Then phase current is the ratio between phase voltage and resistor. Value of phase voltage is 239.6. Resistor is 100, which is equal to 2.396 amps. As we discussed earlier, phase current is equal to line current, which is equal to 2.39 amps. Now the power taken from the source, P is equal to root 3 VL cos phi. Here the value of VL is 415, value of IL is 2.39 and the value of cos phi is 1. As we are using resistors, the power factor always equal to 1. Unity power factor. So the value of cos phi is equal to 1 and the value is 1722.2 watts. Next one, for delta connection, we have to draw the delta connected load, R phase, Y phase and B phase. The condition for delta connection is phase voltage is equal to line voltage. Here both are equal to 415 volt. From this we can get the value of phase current, which is equal to V phase divided by R, that is 4.15 amps. Now the line current, the formula for line current is IL is equal to root 3 I phase, that is root 3 into 4.15, which is equal to 7.188 amps. Power taken from the source P is equal to the same formula root 3 VL IL cos phi. Here VL is equal to 415, IL is equal to 7.188 and the value of cos phi 1. Finally you are getting the value of 5166.7 watts. Let us cross check the value. For that, the condition is total power in delta connected system is equal to 3 into total power in star connected system. Let us take the star connected system. Power from star connected system is 1722.2 watts. It is multiplied with 3, which is equal to 5166.7 watts. We can confirm ourselves that the value calculated from star connection and the power value calculated from delta connection were correct. So dear students, kindly understand the condition. For star connection, phase current is equal to line current. For delta connection, phase voltage is equal to line voltage. And the relationship between star and delta is total power in delta connected system is equal to 3 into total power in star connected system. And one more difference students should understand that the phase voltage and the line voltage. Phase voltage is the voltage measured between any one phase and neutral. Line voltage is the voltage measured between any two phases. Thank you all.